To help keep the campus a cohesive unit when talking about foundations and classroom management, we developed a campus plan. This really came out of looking at needs at the end of the year and thinking about all the things that we wanted to do and planning for the next year. So we developed a plan that has a month-by-month focus so that we could really make sure that we were planning in advance for all of the needs that we had at the end of the year. So it includes our foundations focuses, so how we're going to teach the campus, what kind of things we're going to target through foundations, any type of positive reinforcement system that we were going to implement campus-wide, and also foundations look-fors that admin could support whenever they go into classrooms and give specific feedback. At the start of the school year, the campus estimated that about 90% of our staff had had the full day of the PBIS training. So we really focused on about an hour of training specifically for the strategies that we wanted to see at our campus. Through that, our leadership team focused in on 5 specific strategies that we wanted to see in every single classroom. So these became our non-negotiables, our top 5 classroom management commitments. And those were attention signal, classroom rules posted and visible, positive interactions at a 3-to-1 ratio, communicating champs and setting champs visually, and fluent corrections, and specifically tying our corrections to the set expectation. So that became our Grangerland 5. So in September, our admin team and leadership team modeled what the Grangerland 5 looked like in practice, and we made a fun parody video in our core team meeting modeling each of the Grangerland 5. And then we developed a challenge. So this was the Grangerland 5 puzzle challenge in September. And what it looked like is each teacher had a puzzle frame posted outside of their classroom door, and each little puzzle piece was one of our Grangerland 5. And anytime a coach, district coach, campus coach, or administrator went into the classroom and saw one of the 5 positive things going on, they would award one of the puzzle pieces onto their puzzle frame outside of their door. When the teacher got all 5 of them, they were awarded a gold star and had a fun little celebration. We kind of all walked in together, gave a big woo woo, gave them a chocolate or a treat, and then they got their gold star, and that was posted outside their door. That just kind of acknowledged that they had been recognized for showing the Grangerland 5. So in January, to keep it really consistent and make sure that this was at the forefront of our focus, we introduced the Grangerland 5.0. So this was another challenge, also focused on our Grangerland 5, that was kind of a fun bingo board. It had other things that we do typically whenever we're resetting expectations when we return from break in January, but also had the focus of our top 5. So this was a great challenge. Teachers got special rewards if they blacked out the whole thing. If they got a bingo, they got a certain reward. So this was really fun for us. In February, to stay consistent, we revisited the Grangerland 5 on the staff development day. And then in March, we reviewed it again after we returned from spring break. So this is how we trained, supported, followed up, and celebrated these classroom management goals at our campus. I hope it's helpful.